Hello, welcome to APG.Studio channel, and we've got super exciting news for us and for you all guys. All right, we've got lots of people who subscribe already and using videos from my channel, but guys, we've got much more. You can see it because they are unlisted. They are unlisted because they are for my members from my studio in here, okay, from my business. And now we've been approved by YouTube to offer you all the access for our unlisted videos. There is 100 of them. We running live stream session every single day, apart of Sunday. Come on, one day needs to be some rest. But Monday, Tuesday, Saturday session, not only once per day, but few times per day. So I've got lots of different yoga and fitness classes to choose. So when you click this button below, join, you will see some options. You can be our patron, just, supporting us with some money. You can be our member, which I'm talking about, to have access for lots of different fitness yoga sessions, full session, 30 minutes and 50 minutes. Also, you've got access to relaxing sessions as well, 5, 10, 15 minutes, and lots of additional extras, like a live stream session only for our members. We've been doing that during lockdown. Now you can join us. For $22.99, you can be our member and you can do yoga, fitness every day, different session. Why? If you're doing the same video all over again, you're going to reach adaptation stage and your body is not improving anything more. You are on maintaining stage. You reach the maintaining stage, the adaptation, and that's it. Still good, but if you want to improve, be better, be stronger, be more flexible, to bring more challenge, you need new things. Your body needs to be surprised. So that's why every single video after this button is different. You can see already on my channel, because we put them on public, releasing some of them for public, of course, but most of our sessions is still behind the scene for members. And now you can be our member. You can support us, motivate us to expand and be better, because it's all for you guys. So we're feeling really privileged. Thank you to YouTube for giving us this opportunity to release this button and give you the chance to enjoy yoga and fitness, whatever you want, and just explore my channel for the other side. We got to the public one and the unlisted, and now the unlisted is gonna be members only, but with better quality, because it's gonna be uploaded instead live stream. But as I said, we're going to do some extras for you guys only, live stream chats as well, live chat during the live stream sessions. We're planning to do some workshops as a regular basis, and many different things for you. So we are really excited, really feeling really privileged, and looking forward to see you guys to be not only our subscribers but also our patrons or members. If you join membership today, you will see different badges. So it depends how long you're gonna be with us. You will see the badge is going to change from the gray one to the gold one. So just another thing, like something changing and showing you, actually I'm improving, I'm progressing, and I'm not just 1 year, I'm much longer with you guys. And we've got lots of members and they are with us for years. And we like to offer this all my service right now around the world. So it's not only here in our small community, but going for the next level. And yeah, join us today and enjoy. Don't worry, everything what is on my channel and the things is as a regular basis, like live stream for beginners, yoga on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, posture correction, still is on. Nothing changing on my channel. We're going to releasing and put on public access some of the videos from my unlisted classes as well as we're doing right now. So if you still want to just enjoy the free stuff, fine, we are happy to do that. We are happy to have you on board. But if you'd like to support us sometimes or want to be a member, have another special extras and other things going on, you just use this button below. So thank you, and we're hoping you are as excited as we are. We and my husband. He is behind the camera. He's the guy behind the scene. So saying we is me and my husband who is working with me for all these technical things. Okay, so it's two people team. So thank you guys, and yeah, let me know if you're interested or not, just clicking the button below. Bye for now, and I see you on some classes, on some videos. Bye guys.